Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Splice app. You click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you will search about Splice app. Then here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Splice. Here you will announce clear app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.